Hello, welcome to Good Neighbor. Today we're working with this mini Bluetooth keyboard from Arteck. This keyboard works with devices that support Bluetooth. That includes iOS or Android cell phone and tablets, Mac OS or Windows computers. This keyboard is very compact. It's about the same size as a regular 10-inch iPad. It's going to be easy to carry if you need access to a keyboard when you travel. It's also convenient for home or office use if in case you need to be further away from your device. Here we see how thin the keyboard is. It's just about a 1/4 inch in thickness. And here we have the user manual and warranty information. And we have the USB charging cable. Let's turn on the keyboard and we'll demonstrate how to pair this keyboard with our computer. The backlight will shut off after 4 seconds to conserve energy. To pair the keyboard with our computer, press the connect button and the status light will blink to signal that it's ready to be paired. On our computer settings, first we make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and we click to add a device. We're going to see the Bluetooth keyboard is listed. Click on it to finish the pairing process. The pairing process for Android, iOS, or Mac OS devices is similar to what we have demonstrated for Windows computer. The backlight has 7 colors to choose from. Here we are going to cycle through the 7 colors. Now I'm just typing alphabets and numbers. Hopefully you can get a sense of how typing on this keyboard feels. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time on Good Neighbor.